I'm now going to guide you through the installation process. You'll need the following for a successful install: pre-assembled mounting plate, mounting wire, provided hardware, 10mm socket, 8-inch extension, 3/8 drive ratchet, and a 4mm Allen wrench. We'll be starting the install assuming you can safely remove your OEM battery and all associated mounting hardware. The engine base should look like the following image. Place the pre-assembled mount plate in the opening of the subframe and rotate it 45 degrees. This mount plate will only work one way with the MeLe battery mount. Next, you will thread the mounting wire through the two holes on the bottom of your MeLe battery mount. Slide the mount down and over the plate while still holding the mounting wire. You'll need to install the M6x1 bolt in the hole and hand tighten. Please note that the mount is a tight fit by design. Pull up and orient the mount on the mounting plate. The pre-installed screws will come through the bottom of the mount. Take the provided 3 lock washers and nuts and hand tighten them. Take the 4mm Allen wrench and tighten the M6x1 bolt. Now tighten the 3 nuts using your 10mm socket with the 8-inch extension and ratchet. Make sure to check the bolt height and adjust the nuts accordingly. You do not want these to rub on the bottom of the battery. The last step is to mount the OEM sub-panel to the front of the mount. Remove the 2 plastic anchors on the OEM harness. Install the 2 provided M6 bolts into the holes. Slide the provided spacers over the bolts. Now install the hardware through the mount and secure using the provided locking washers first, followed by the nuts. Use your 4mm Allen wrench on one side and the 10mm socket and wrench to tighten the sub-panel to the front of the mount. Install the PC680 and SAE terminals into the battery mount and close the latch. Install the pull pin. Put your positive cable on the battery terminal first, followed by your negative terminal. Secure the cables on the terminals. Reinstall the remaining necessary items in reverse order that you removed them in. Congratulations on your successful install of the MeLe lightweight battery mount. For more information regarding our products, please visit www.meledesignfirm.com.